everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am here with you Jahnavi with a very new and interesting topic, that is structure of an eye. So now let us quickly start this without wasting our time. So first we will read about eye valley. The human eye is one of the most valuable sense organs that enable us to see the world around us. Let us study about the different parts of eyes. Sclera, it is the first part of the eyes. So in this diagram you can see the sclera, and it is a tough outer coat that protects the entire eyeball. Now the second one is chloride. Okay, what we will say it? Chloride. And this is that you can see in the brown coverage. This is known as choroid. Understand? I hope that you will. It is a vascular layer of the eye. It contains blood vessels that nourish the inner part of the eye. Cornea. It is a first position of the eye. It is convex in shape and bulges outside. Light enters the eye through the cornea. Iris. It is a dark muscular diaphragm located just behind the cornea. It regulates the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. Pupil. It is a hole in the middle of the iris. The size of the pupil decrease or increase depending upon the intensity of light entering the eye. Pupil size decrease in high intensity of light. In this image, you can see the high intensity of light. So what is the high intensity of light in this image? The high intensity of light in this image is our sun. Okay, so this is the high intensity of light. If it passes through our iris, what happened? The pupil size will decrease. What happened? The pupil size will decrease. Understand? So in this you can see that pupil size increase in low intensity of light. You can see a candle. Okay, and the candle is showing the low intensity of light to your eyes, and the pupil is increasing his size in the low intensity of light. Now eye lens. Okay, so I'm continuing a topic, every topic like iris, eye lens, and you can see every image that what is an iris, what is an eye lens, what is cornea. You can see everything in this image. So what is eye lens? It is made up of transparent jelly like substance which is made up of protein. Eye lens. It is held in position by the scleral muscles and suspensory ligaments. Spherical zonulus. The spherical muscles are suspensory ligaments. Adjust the focal length of the eye so that we can see distance and nearby objects clearly. The ability of the eye to focus on distant and nearby objects by changing the focal length is called accommodation. Understand? What we will call it as accommodation. Now let's go to another topic, that is aqueous humor. Okay, it is a viscous liquid filled in the area between the cornea and eye lens. It prevents the eye from collapsing due to change in the atmospheric pressure. Now we will go to the retina. Okay, it is a delicate membrane having a large number of light sensitive cells. What is present? A large number of sensitive cells. Okay, light sensitive cells. The light sensitive cells get activated upon illumination and generates electrical signals. The light sensitive cells are of two types, rods and cones. But first of all, we have to understand that what is an optic nerve and what is retina. Okay, so in this figure you can see this diagram. Okay, so in this diagram, what is a retina and what is an optic nerve? So this zigzag line like this is known as retina, and this shape organ over here is known as optic nerve. Now, two types of light sensitive cells are rods and cones. So what are rods? Cells that responds to the intensity of light. And what are cones? Cells that responds to the color of an object. If we are seeing anything, okay, we didn't know that what is the color of the object that we are seeing, it will not give any of the interest. And if we don't see the light of the object, it will also don't get anything. Understand? So these both are very important for our eyes. In retina, there is a tiny area which is responsible for clear and sharp vision is called muscula. This, that there is a small depression inside the muscula. It is called as fovea centralis. What we called as fovea centralis. Okay, now let's go to another topic. An inverted real image of the object is formed on the retina. In the real image, if you is an eye, okay, the real image is formed in the retina. Understand? The electrical signals generated by the cells and sent to the brain it will send to the brain and through the eye. There is an electrical signal sent to the brain by the help of our eyes. Okay, the brain resembles the signals into a meaningful image and give rise to the sensation of vision. Now, vitreous humor. It is a jelly-like substance filled in a shape between the retina and the eye lens, and it helps in maintaining the shape of the eye. And now let us complete that. What is a blind spot? It is a small region in the retina where the optic nerves enter the eye. It is the sensitive to the eye, hence it is called as the blind spot. Now in this image you can see that what are the different parts of the eyes by clearly sectioned. So first you can see that so I'm really sorry. Yeah, now I can continue. Okay, now let us see. This is the first portion of our eyes, which is known as cornea. Okay, and then after it, what will come? After it, aqueous humor is come. What will come? Aqueous humor. After it, we will see step by step. Okay, now first let us divide it into three parts. This. Okay, yeah. Now what aqueous humor, and after that it will come the iris. And first in the iris there is the cylindrical muscles and the spherical muscles. After the spherical muscles there is the eye lens, and after the eye lens there are suspensory ligaments. Okay, and after that there is vitreous humor, and in the corners of the vitreous humor there are retina, and at the end of the retina which cover the membrane, it is known as macula. Okay, we can also call it macula. And the topper layer of the eye, which is covered by it is covered and it is a most tough surface, it is known as sclera. What is known as sclera? And the second portion is chloride. And what we will do the next, it is the fovea centralis. Understand? Now we will do about blind spot and object. Okay, so I hope that you have understand this very carefully, and sorry for the disturbance. Thank you.